Hi guys, welcome to Spaceship Capsule Unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing this, the viral Kodak Charmera. I think it's a combination of charm and camera, so Charmera. And it is a keychain digital camera. So what we have here today is the mini camera and a blind box all in one. So this is a camera, a real camera. And it's inspired by the Kodak Flame 1987. It has 7 styles in total. And this, trust me, this is really hard to get because I have to fly all the way to Hong Kong to get this. And it's amazing because someone actually didn't buy everything. So I actually got a chance to buy this. So before we open, have a look at the box. So from the box, we can see that we have 7 types of camera in here. Right. We have 7 styles: the yellow, the red, the blue and black, and the secret. Well, personally, my pick will be this. So guys, let's have a look at what are the features that's included in this camera. So we have, 7 photo filters: black and white, cool tone, warm tone, pixel filter yellow, and if you're feeling red, and also blue for your Monday blues, and the regular gray. And also we have 4 photo frames included. Remember guys, the car and the girlfriend is not included. And we also have this shiny little sticker to remind you that this is original. Alright, let's get to the semi ASMR unboxing. What are you guys saying? This camera is really cool, and it features a 1440 x 1080 image output, which is equivalent to 1.6 megapixels, and also supports video recording of 30 fps frame per second. And as for the memory card, it supports from 1GB to 128GB TF memory card or micro SD. It also comes with a rechargeable camera, not having to change new batteries. It's amazing. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you do have a chance, do get them. This is really amazing, and see you at the next video.